Hey. Just look at my curls. They are popping. Look at the definition. Like, I'll be using organic apple cider vinegar, and the Aztec Bentonite Clay to make my Bentonite Clay mask for my hair detox treatment. Please use either plastic, wooden or ceramic utensils, as metal utensils will reduce the effectiveness of the Bentonite Clay. I'm using a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon for my mixture. I'm just eyeballing the amount of Bentonite Clay and apple cider vinegar that I'll need. Some people like to add oils, but I think it's just best to keep the mixture simple. Apple cider vinegar, the Bentonite Clay and or water is fine. So this is the consistency that you want it to have. You want it to be like yogurt, sort of like Greek yogurt. Things can get messy with a Bentonite Clay treatment, so you might want to protect your floor by putting something to cover it. I'm also wearing something that I'll just toss in the laundry as soon as I'm done. Bentonite Clay is best applied to wet hair, and I'm talking about soaking wet hair, so I'm just going to wet my hair under the shower. While I detangle my hair, I'm just going to run you through the many benefits of Bentonite Clay for your hair. Bentonite Clay is from volcanic ash and it contains natural minerals that are good for the body and for the hair. Bentonite Clay treatment is great for damaged hair, including heat damaged hair. It helps with dry scalp and other hair issues. When applied to the hair, it removes impurities, build-up, oil and toxins. You know, all the things that are not supposed to be in our hair and are not good for our hair. It gets out all of those things. It moisturizes and softens the hair. It helps with curl definition and shine. It also balances out the scalp pH and helps with irritated, flaking scalp. I'll leave a slide at the end of the video that you can screen grab if you're interested. It's important to apply the Bentonite Clay to your roots and your scalp. You want to make sure that it gets to your scalp so that it can draw out all those toxins, draw out all the impurities and all the things that you don't want in your hair, you know, really get to detoxify your natural hair. That's what you want the clay to do, so make sure to apply it to your roots. If necessary, try and massage your scalp to make sure that you're getting through every section, and then walk your way through the length of your hair. Just watch my method and you see what I'm doing.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took
dried a little by the time I got to the other part of my hair, so this is me just spraying it with some water. Remember I said that it's best to apply the bentonite clay treatment to soak in wet hair.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
I'll be leaving the bentonite clay mask in my hair for 15 minutes. You can do 15 to 20 minutes. And you can also cover it with a shower cap or just leave it be. I left mine like that.
I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Hey. Just look at my curls. They are popping. Look at the definition. Like, see the definition. It's so soft. Like, oh, so soft and yummy. Talo soft go. Okay. Oh me. Oh ba. Oh me. Oh me. Oh ba.
Coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming.
Oh ba. So that's it.